Now, there are two types of notations that deal with atoms. One is a hyphen notation, and this 14 is the mass number. And the mass number is protons plus neutrons, all right? So since it's carbon, it has an atomic number of 6. So 14 minus 6 would give you 8. So this has got 8 neutrons, 6 protons, and since it doesn't have a charge, it's going to have 6 electrons, all right? Now, another way of writing elements is with nuclear notation. And nuclear notation looks like this. Where the mass number, is written to the top left of the element, not on the right. Top left of the element, that's the mass number, and that's how the information is conveyed. This is got 7 neutrons, 6 protons, and 6 electrons. That's a 6. All right? And that's how it's done. So you've got, this is hyphen notation, where you've got the mass number after the element symbol, and the mass number, once again, is the number of protons plus the neutrons. So since this is carbon has 6 protons. 14 minus 6 is 8. That's 8 neutrons and 6 electrons because it's a neutral atom. And this is called the nuclear notation. And the 13, which is the mass number, is written before in a superscript position of the in front of the element symbol. And since 13 minus 6 is 7, that would mean this element has 7 neutrons, 6 protons, and 6 electrons. And those are the two ways to write, or two notations that are used to represent specific atoms.